This morning, Jodi Arias is back in the Phoenix Women's Jail where she spent much of the last 5 years since she murdered her ex-boyfriend Travis Alexander. The 32-year-old was on suicide watch in the psychiatric ward of a different jail for 5 days after telling a local station she'd rather die than spend the rest of her life behind bars.
I said years ago that I'd rather get death than life, and that still is true today.
Later this morning, the same jurors who just convicted her of first-degree murder will begin hearing testimony about whether she deserves the death penalty. The prosecutor is expected to call just one witness, the medical examiner who performed the autopsy on Alexander's body. Arias stabbed him almost 30 times and shot him in the face.
If you have injuries to the backs of the forearms.
Dr. Kevin Horn will tell the jury Travis Alexander's death was cruel, that he was alive through most of the attack and had defensive wounds on his hands as he fought to get the knife away from Jodi Arias. Next, the defense will try to save her life. Arias, who testified for a remarkable 18 days during this trial, will address the jury again, this time to beg for mercy.
The defense is going to try to show that the manner in which that she caused Travis Alexander's death was not particularly cruel. He may well have died quickly, so he didn't suffer any incredible mental anguish, but I think that's going to be an incredibly hard sell.
The defense will likely call any of Arias's family or friends who will try to convince the jury there is something about this convicted killer that's worth saving. For Good Morning America, Ryan Owens, ABC News, Phoenix.